All set up. It's beautiful. Have a look at this. So this is what we're looking out over.
I just put it like this.
Yep. Just magical. And just behind the caravan here are the falls. So literally, that's just moving the car. See up over there? So just in behind there is where the falls are. Not to mention, number one's reserved for the Myers. How nice is this, babe?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. That's the lodge up the back there. We get lots of nice birdies. It's going to be amazing. We just sit here and watch the birds. I'm really happy with the caravan. I went in. Hey, Del? It's in shade.
The other side.
Yeah, well, don't worry about it then, sweetie. That's fine. So when we arrived, I went into the caravan and we literally had one thing move, which was a towel fell down, and in the fridge one little plastic container, and that was it. Nothing moved. So really happy. And that's my view out there. You can't really see it properly. It's going to be nice. Mark's down talking to his cows. Goes and visits them every day. Actually let him pat them. They're a bit scared at first, but now they go up for a head scratch. One's getting a scratch now. Patting your cows, babe. Bulls, sorry, they're bulls. They're not cows. They're beautiful stud bulls. Look at them. So, where are we off to today, babe?
We're off to see some old railway bridge over a river.
Oh, a railway bridge over a river.
Yeah.
And we're still at Dorrigo.
Dangar Falls.
Dangar Falls. I'll show you. It's a beautiful day. Isn't it beautiful? That is like the most beautiful gum tree. You can't see, you're right my way, babe. But that is so big and thick. Big and thick. Okay. So the name of this road is Karamba Road? Mm-hmm. Is that right? Karamba
This is the
Road.
one that I think goes all the way out to Glenray.
Oh, okay. Okay, hope I'll get it. Okay, we're turning into Peak Bridge.
Bealsdown River.
Bealsdown River.
It is.
Oh, look. Is that an old bridge?
Railway bridge.
Old railway bridge. Oh, we can drive under it. Oh, little birdies. Oh, wow, that's old. Look at that. Is it still used?
I don't think so.
And is this where we are?
Just
No.
up here.
Big tree. They must have people turning in all the time, hey? Oh, you'll see our caravan. Here we are, up here on the left there. Look, honey, it's a zone. It's our zone. That's where we're staying. It's us. So this is the little town of Dorrigo. I'll show you what it looks like. It's really cute. We'll go back in and have a look at the town a bit later on when we come back. So we're going to go, and the bridge was a bit of a bust, so we're going to go and have a look at the national park. Is it?
The national park.
Is it Dorrigo that was a logging town?
Yeah.
So Dorrigo was a logging town, and up here on the left they've got like a really big, huge log. Here it is. I'll show you the log. Oh. Pioneer Memorial Log. There it is. And this is the little town of Dorrigo. Okay. Supposed to put a donation to rebuild the dodgy rainforest walk track.
There you go, 6.6 kilometres.
2 to 3 hours. Shit.
The glade picnic area and walk with the birds.
Okay, return 2.2, 45 minutes. That's the one we'll do. We'll choose it, but I'll just show you over here. Adult $2. Is that just to walk out there? We don't want to walk out there. This is miles high and really dodgy. I don't think it's safe. Like, seriously, the wood is old. I don't think we want to walk on this. You can see how rotted. Yeah, no, that's not happening today. We tried it, turned back. Here we go. So what are we at, honey? The Dorrigo...
Rainforest, I think.
Rainforest. Dorrigo Rainforest walk. So we're actually on like in the treetop canopies. Oh, we're really high. Holy hell, we're high. We are really high. Look at this. Look at the trees down there. Oh, it wobbles.
Does it?
Yeah. Oh, honey. Honey, we're really high. Holy hell. My goodness.
Oh God, I don't like that.
Shit. Look how... No, seriously.
Yeah, no,
Look,
I don't like it.
that we are up in the... Holy... How secure is this? I'll go out. No. No, I'm not. Mark doesn't even want me to go out. It's really, really high. Like we are up and we're above the treetops here. Oh my God. Look at this. Holy hell. How high would that be? Yeah, no, it wobbles. It's wobbling. I'm not going out there. No. Too high. Too high. But wow, look at the view you would get. I'd go out if it was metal, but this is wooden and looks old and it wobbles when you walk out there. So no, we're not going out there. This doesn't look the best. There's holes. No. Okay, you gotta film me a bit. It's not all about you.
Where are you off to?
The
The glade picnic area.
Gonna do this one. Glade picnic area. 45 minutes. I'm sure as hell not doing that one. So let's go. Yay! Okay, so look how high we are. I don't know if you can see. It's really, really high. They look quite steep. Good morning. Oh, they're so cute. What are they? Oh, mine are in there too.
Put them around your neck.
Yeah. Around my neck. You hold that. And then so I can... Now, I'm telling you now, when you wear these, look, you have to turn these out. Otherwise they don't work.
Give me the bag,
I'm going to put it around the throat, the neck, hang on. Okay. Now I'm going to look with binoculars, see what they are. Where are they gone? They're gone. I can hear them, but they're not down on the ground anymore. I'm sure we'll see them again though. Have a look at ya with all your gear. You look like a real photography bushman, honey.
Film it.
Binoculars? Let's go on an adventure.
Supposed to have your backpacker dress on.
Okay.
Your backpacker dress on.
I've got my backpacker skirt on, honey. Even better. Look, this is what I do. I'll show you.
Mm-hmm. Time of
There's
year.
one. Oh, I've got to try and get the thing. Can't see him. No.
He's going too quick.
Goodness me. You have to sit still. Did you catch me doing that?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Fruit bag.
Wow. Here's your picture. We've seen one of them, honey. The grey fantail. We've seen that at Sawtell. I haven't seen that one. Eastern yellow robin, brown, green.
Yes. Superb line
Satin bowerbirds here. Oh, look, and they've got these ones, honey.
there. Who is it?
Paradise rifle bird. You know that does that. They do this. Look.
No.
Green catbird.
Mm-hmm.
And look, that's what we saw, the eastern whitbird. Did you film them?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, that scared the crap out of me.
What is it?
Look at that bird there. I went, huh. This is a really good walk. I rate this one. Put it on your list. Sorry? Just does a big loop on like this really great walk. and then it comes back to the path, and you walk back. Yeah, and then you walk back. Same way. Awesome. What do you think of that, honey?
Awesome.
It was awesome, eh? Bit out of breath. Right hip's hurting, so I need to do more exercise. But that was a really good walk, wasn't it? We enjoyed it.
Lots to see.
Lots to see. Definitely recommend coming to the walks. Really lovely. Much warmer up here too. So this is where you need to come. Dorrigo Rainforest Centre. Got some big leeches.
To take binoculars.
Yep. Got a big leech here. There's another big leech over here. Oh, my jumper, darling. Thank you. I'll film the leeches. And got a rainforest centre. Yeah, it's beautiful. Mosaic murals. Look. Pretty. Bats. Look at this beautiful one. So you can see. Oh, beautiful. Really nice. Okay. There goes the toilet. Busting, being holding it probably half the way through. Look, Annie. It's beautiful. What's that bird? No, it's not. No, it's not him. Definitely not him.